was
Real pond, right?
like this.
We'll have to get one.
And I was young.
Like, do they sell them still? Yeah.
How young?
I think I would have been about 9, 10.
9, 10 years old?
I don't know.
And where was
and
this? In Laredo or?
In Laredo, Texas.
Or Mexico.
And it was a 3 pound can of Lord.
Uh-huh.
And it would cost 3 cents.
Back then.
Well, no, they put me to do this. They didn't have the 3 cents, I guess, or whatever. You have to walk forward to go and have it in a molino. Grind in the molino. How you call it in English?
Mill?
In the mill. They have it everywhere.
And this was in Laredo, Texas,
It was in Laredo, Texas.
when you were 9 years old, 10 years old.
Around 9, 10 years old.
And what is your, what was your name?
My name was Celia Ontiveros.
When you were 9 years old.
And if I go to the mill to grind it, all the way to there, because we used to cook the corn, cook it.
Oh, you cooked it first?
Yeah, cook it. And then at night, we cook it at night, and then in the morning we rinse it and put it in a tin and go. And all the way to the mill, we would be eating. And I get a little piece of, what you call that, brown sugar candy?
Caramel?
And corn in my mouth.
Corn with caramel sugar.